It is actually Diwali today and it is raining so hard. Maybe correcta Diwali appo mala peyyudunu therilla, but yeah. So this is kind of like a Diwali vlog because vlog பண்ணனும்னு ஐடியா இல்ல. பட் எனக்கு வந்து எப்படின்னா ஓகே கொஞ்சம் நெக்ஸ்ட் இயர் கழிச்சு நான் இந்த vlogலாம் வந்து திரும்பி பார்க்கலாம். And I want to do vlogs and keep it like a digital diary and share it with you guys. So I just want to do vlog today. Kind of like I'm not going to cover every single thing I'm doing. I'm just gonna cover as much as I can. So yeah, that is for the video. And look at my mehendi, guys. It's so pretty. Like, I like it so much. And, இப்போ வந்து ரொம்ப மழை பெஞ்சிட்டு இருக்கு. So I just took a bath and came out and it is raining. So I'm just gonna do my makeup. Like ரொம்பலாம் இல்ல, லைட்டா மேக்கப் போட போறேன். So அதுக்குள்ள மழை வந்து கொஞ்சம் போயிடுச்சுன்னா I'm planning to do a photo shoot because it's like a ritual to me. I do photo shoots every single Diwali. But past 2 years நான் பண்றதே இல்ல. So I was like, okay, let's do this year. அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு I'm going to do it. But it's raining so hard. Like, yeah. This is the final makeup look. I love it. But when நான் கொஞ்சம் ஐ மேக்கப் கொஞ்சம் கம்மியா வச்சுக்கணும்னு பார்த்தேன். பட் அந்த ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் I used அது வந்து ரொம்ப பிக்மெண்டடா இருந்துச்சு. So it gave me this look. I don't really know. I love it. But வந்து கொஞ்சம் கம்மியா வச்சுக்கணும்னு பார்த்தேன். But the products were so pigmented. So it just went like that. But I love it. And the lips. So yeah, that's the finished look. I'm just gonna leave my hair open. I just straightened it a bit. And yeah, that's the final look. Now we're gonna go take some photos, take some videos, and we're gonna be back.
Ruthless, I know. You might even wonder why I go MIA sometimes. I can't deny. Try to hold on to the things I can't keep. Through my fingers, I was losing control. Took a couple months till you knocked on my door. Sat by the sea while the waves fell asleep. Didn't know what I should let go. Thought I lost my way, but now I'm sure. If I spend all my days searching.
Hey guys, I just took some pictures. I don't know how it turned out, but it is what it is. I'm going to get home now because it's very hot in here. So yeah, in the morning it was raining and now it is so hot. Like, yeah, I'm just gonna go home. The makeup is melting literally. I'm just gonna go home and relax. And yeah, also now on the photo எடுக்கும்போது I changed my lip color because அது வந்து அவ்வளோ எனக்கு பிடிக்காம இருந்துச்சு. Last minute I just changed my lipstick. So yeah.
Sing